Here we will write a Python program to create a dictionary with numbers 1 to n in the form of number and its square. So first in comment line we will write, first we will create empty dictionary with d equal to dict, which is a function to create an empty dictionary. Then we will accept value of n from the user. So n equal to int input, enter total number to accept, and we'll use for loop. So for x in range 1 to n plus 1, and we'll calculate square of x and store it the position d of x. So d of x equal to x into x, and then we'll print dictionary. So print dictionary with number and its square. We will print d and we'll execute this. I will enter total number to accept as 5. It will print dictionary as first key 1 and value 1, then key as 2 and value as 4, 3 as key and value as 9, and so on.